Hello everyone. So today we're going to be having a look at the all sound again, but this time we're going to have a look at polysyllabic words. Now polysyllabic words are words with two or more syllables. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that you have got these sounds written on your post-it notes. Now the reason why I've got the N and the G on one post-it note is because that's just one sound, and it's the sound. Okay? Right, so these are all the sounds I need to build the word along, along. Now the first syllable, we can clap these syllables as well if it helps. So we've got a, long. The first syllable we can hear is a. The second syllable we can hear is long. And I make sure that I've got a clear gap between these syllables. That's going to help me when I write my words. Okay, so which letter makes the ul sound in this word? That's right, it's the ul on its own, the L on its own. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write these words, these syllables, okay, and we're going to make sure that we've got a gap between them first of all, and then we can write them again without a gap. So the first syllable we can hear is a. A. The second syllable we can hear is long. Say the sounds with me. U, o, Now I can write these together. A, U, o, Along. Along the path.